It is such a wonderful day for me because of my 31 years of Rotary life. This is the first time I've been a GSR to such a wonderful club, which is, so I take it as a pride. Dreamscape Infra became Rotary Dreamscape. Hyderabad Dreamscape is being launched in such a grand manner. They said no compromise whatsoever. We do it in style and we do it accordingly to this beautiful club called Rotary Club of Hyderabad Dreamscape.
Many people have realized what is the value of good living, good food, and everything. They have started respecting, special respect towards all the natural resources. Our business tagline is nurturing nature. So we are here to enrich lives, not only human lives, so we have to take care of all the ecosystem. So that is how we have done the ideation of our business. So wherever we do projects, we do make sure there is a resort and around build a living communities, communities which can be livable for our future generations. Today it can be an investment opportunity, but if you retain it, it will turn into a real living communities for our coming generations. We are planning to bring one of the finest international schools and give one of the best education to rural students. So we are here to enrich all the resources, not only human lives, and through this company, I would like to offer health, wealth, and happiness to everyone. Thank you.
Sampradaya sponsoring corporate club called Dreamscape is our pride, I guess. So I welcome each of you who have been here and who have been part of our journey. Yes, every one of you were part of our journey.
And very happy to our team as our Dreamscape corporate club. Second time in Hyderabad it seems. So we are very happy to participate in Rotary activities, and we are very proud to say that we are building very good projects for the next generations, and very happy for the upcoming projects in almost all in 250 acres plus in Hyderabad and surroundings. Thank you one and all.
It's very unfortunate to say it's the first corporate club in Hyderabad. Hyderabad is known for its corporates. Very strangely and very fortunately, we have started a corporate club in realty company. For this beautiful idea, Rotary International also realized the importance of saving our Mother Earth. Because of that, this year they have started, so far we are having only 6 areas of focus. This year they have started in the 7th area of focus, that is environmental protection. You said the main thought of this Dreamscape itself, serving the Mother Earth. So I congratulate you for your thought process, for taking up 2 major programs of our Rotary, which is environmental protection is the new one, and this literacy is the current main subject of our Rotary.
రోటరీ కుటుంబ సభ్యులందరికీ నమస్కారం. ఏప్రిల్ 22 రమణ రవి గారు we must go to a company called Dreamscape and meet the management. They want to support the Rotary International Presidential Conference. ఒక అద్భుతమైన కాన్ఫరెన్స్ మనం ఏప్రిల్లో జరుపుకున్నాం. All progress starts with a dream is my firm belief. All large projects start with a dream is my firm belief. In fact, I ran my life with a philosophy called Dare to Dream. So in a Dreamscape, అని ఆయన ప్లాట్ల గురించే మాట్లాడలే మాతోటి, రియల్ ఎస్టేట్ గురించే మాట్లాడలేదు, నేచర్ గురించే మాట్లాడుతున్నాడు. We decided to associate with Dreamscape. But what caught my attention is their dream to provide heart surgeries, big heart mission. The longest journey starts with the first small step. So after this, Hyderabad can have a cascade of Rotary clubs formed in companies. So please talk to your board, please talk to your general body and ensure that each one of you start corporate clubs. What Sampradaya, Haima and Ramana can achieve in 20 days, I'm sure every club can achieve. So please go ahead.
Dreamscape's association with Rotary Club. Rotary లాంటి ఇంత పెద్ద ఆర్గనైజేషన్ దే అప్రోచ్డ్ us and they are looking for టైటిల్ స్పాన్సర్స్. సరే టైటిల్ స్పాన్సర్షిప్ అనేది ఒక ఇదైతే దే ఆర్ సో హంబుల్ అండ్ సో అక్నాలెడ్జింగ్ అవర్ ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ అండ్ అవర్ కాన్సెప్ట్ అనేది. అండ్ దెన్ వెన్ వీ వర్ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ Rotary event, let me be very honest, until April 22nd, I wasn't sure the magnanimity of Rotary International. And on this stage, I, Raj Popuri, I'm taking an oath in all my conscious state of mind and with all my conscience that being a club secretary, I will make sure that the Rotary Club of Dreamscape Hyderabad will be one of the most significant clubs of the district 3150. And we are going to make sure that our promise about taking care of our mother nature and about taking care of the little ones is going to be fulfilled with help of all you fine gentlemen and ladies. I thank each and every one of you for being a part of this event once again.